for making breads and other things on our homestead. We enjoy making things and having wheat berries on hand when needed. Having wheat berries means the flour stored properly can last several decades, where already ground up flour has a short shelf life. There are red and white wheat berries, and there are hard and soft wheat berries. We will make a video on this later on. We just know that we have to grind them up in order to have flour. We do have a manual wheat grinder, and if electricity goes out, we will have a backup. Until that happens, we go the easy route and use the Vitamix blender. The Vitamix blender is the only blender that will grind wheat berries well enough. Once they have been ground into flour in the Vitamix, they then must be sifted. Sifting separates the flour from the bran. You can use the bran in many other ways. I like to use it in bran muffins or in my homemade goat and dog treats. You should look into storing wheat berries if you aren't already. They can store long term and they are healthy and nutritious. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.